Today we're stepping into one of the most unexpected and breathtaking creations in luxury travel, the extraordinary 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a machine that combines Ferrari's racing heritage with next-level luxury living, creating a motorhome that feels more like a high-performance superyacht on wheels. From the very first glance, this motorhome carries Ferrari's unmistakable DNA. The aggressive aerodynamic body lines, sculpted carbon fiber panels, and signature Ferrari front grille instantly command attention. The sleek, low-profile stance paired with sharp LED matrix headlights gives this motorhome a design language that feels fast even while standing still. The exterior styling is built around performance-inspired engineering. Every curve is crafted to enhance airflow and stability while maintaining Ferrari's iconic sporty identity. The bold red accent detailing, aerodynamic air channels, and multi-axle performance wheel system transform this motorhome into a moving symbol of power and elegance. The panoramic glass canopy stretches across multiple levels, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering stunning travel views from every angle. Step inside, and the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome welcomes you into a cabin that perfectly balances racing luxury with residential comfort. The main lounge area is designed using premium Alcantara leather, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum finishes inspired by Ferrari's supercar interiors. The seating layout features modular performance recliners designed for both relaxation and support during long-distance travel. Ambient LED lighting flows throughout the cabin, with customizable lighting modes inspired by Ferrari's racing environments. The kitchen area is designed to deliver high-end culinary convenience while maintaining Ferrari's signature sporty elegance. It includes a smart induction cooking system, integrated convection oven, luxury refrigerator, climate-controlled beverage storage, and an advanced espresso and hydration station. The kitchen layout is crafted with seamless storage compartments and polished performance-inspired surfaces that combine durability with visual luxury. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the master suite transforms travel into a first-class luxury experience. The suite features a king-size performance comfort mattress designed with advanced ergonomic support and climate regulation. Surrounding the bed are illuminated storage panels, entertainment displays, and integrated workspace modules for both relaxation and productivity. The en-suite bathroom reflects Ferrari's luxury craftsmanship with marble-inspired finishes, precision-engineered fixtures, and a digital rainfall shower system designed to deliver spa-level comfort. Technology inside the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome pushes the boundaries of smart living. The entire cabin is controlled through advanced touchscreen panels and AI-powered voice control systems that manage lighting, entertainment, climate, and security. Biometric access systems provide enhanced safety, while the fully integrated entertainment system offers surround sound audio, satellite connectivity, and immersive digital displays. The upper observation lounge adds another layer of luxury, providing a panoramic relaxation space perfect for scenic travel or private gatherings. Underneath its breathtaking design, Ferrari is expected to deliver serious performance engineering. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is anticipated to feature a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V12 powertrain inspired by Ferrari's flagship performance vehicles. This system could produce extraordinary horsepower and torque, allowing the motorhome to deliver smooth acceleration despite its massive luxury structure. The motorhome is paired with an advanced multi-speed dual-clutch transmission and Ferrari's intelligent all-wheel drive system for precise control and stability. The suspension system is expected to feature Ferrari-tuned adaptive air suspension combined with dynamic ride stabilization technology. This system continuously adjusts ride comfort, handling precision, and road grip to maintain Ferrari's signature performance feel. Advanced driver assistance systems such as semi-autonomous highway driving, intelligent collision prevention, adaptive cruise control, and precision parking assistance enhance both safety and convenience. On the road, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is designed to deliver a remarkably refined driving experience. Advanced sound insulation technology and active noise cancellation create a peaceful interior environment, while Ferrari's suspension tuning ensures smooth and stable travel even at high speeds. Solar roof integration and extended battery storage systems are expected to support off-grid travel capabilities without sacrificing luxury performance. As expected from Ferrari, exclusivity and craftsmanship come with a premium investment. Industry speculation suggests the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome could start around $600,000 to $800,000, depending on customization, performance upgrades, and bespoke interior packages. Additional features such as extended hybrid battery systems, personalized interior racing themes, and luxury entertainment upgrades could significantly increase the final price. While ownership offers unmatched performance, luxury, and exclusivity, operating such a high-performance motorhome requires careful route planning and specialized maintenance services. Production numbers are expected to remain extremely limited, making this motorhome a rare collector's masterpiece in the world of luxury travel. When Ferrari's legendary performance engineering meets futuristic luxury living, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome becomes more than just transportation. It becomes a statement of power, innovation, and ultimate road dominance designed for those who demand speed, style, and comfort in one extraordinary package. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhomes family. Hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insane luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.